Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. This is another unboxing. I decided to do more of these because you react pretty well on these. I mean, it seems like you really like when I open these packages. Now let's open this one, and if it is what I think it is, and we're gonna see once I open the outer box, I really can't wait to take it out. I mean, to put it on my wrist. Let's just open this one. Like I said, I used to do these before and then I stopped, but since I did a recent unboxing of those two Casio and Timex, a lot of you guys reacted really positively, so I decided to bring back these unboxings, and I'll probably be posting them on Fridays, you know, to fill in the gaps. And it is a Spinnaker, so it is the watch that I've been waiting for. And even before I opened this box, I believe this is gonna be my favorite Spinnaker so far. Now, this is not gonna be technically the most advanced one. That is the Tissé bronze. It comes with the Salida and all that, and that was the best Spinnaker I reviewed. It's not gonna be very unique in styling because that goes to the Dumas, which I find to be one of the most beautiful Spinnaker watches. But this one is gonna be the best simply because of the size. If you follow my reviews, and especially reviews of Spinnaker watches, you will know that the only complaint I always have about their watches is the size. And in each and every one of those videos, I always say they should offer that model in more than one size. Well, this is it. This is the Cahill, which is their, well, a good selling model, but this is the mid-size at 39.5, so let's see it in person. And not only that, but they upgraded it with a bracelet. Although most Spinnakers come with leather straps, this is a welcomed addition. And here it is. So let's zoom in to see how it looks. And it looks really pretty. The bracelet seems very high quality. Let's see the clasp. The clasp is machined, as you would expect. Well, a well-executed watch. Now let's unwrap it to see how it fits on my wrist. Okay, so with the main wrapping undone, let's do the peel, the traditional peel. And there, you can see that this is a very, very pretty watch. Like I said, the bracelet is all brushed, it's very well executed. Solid end links, solid links, and a machined clasp, so I'm liking it like that. The watch seems pretty thin, it's not overly thick. The proportions are okay. So like I said, this is a 39.5. So now it's time to see how it looks on my wrist. Which is the most important reason why. And yes, just look at that. Wow, let me zoom out a bit so you get a better perspective. Now this is a perfectly sized watch, a sports watch. Look at it, not too thick, not too long, just perfect, at least on my 6.7 inch wrist. So yes, even though, like I said, it's not the most technically advanced Spinnaker, it's not the most original Spinnaker, it's definitely my favorite Spinnaker so far because it looks like it's been sized according to my wrist. I'm really loving it. The only negative that I knew right away, even before they sent me the watch, is the Mercedes hour hand. I'm simply not a fan of these hands unless they're found on a Rolex. And I already said that in one of my videos that it's a shame that Spinnaker doesn't use their, I believe they call it the GM logo because it looks like a General Motors logo, hour hand, which has become part of their DNA. So I don't know why they keep abandoning it and going back to this. But if we ignore the Mercedes hour hand, which is my own flaw in a way, the rest of the watch is pretty amazing. I like this silver ring, reminds me of the Omega Planet Ocean, and the bezel is mineral, as you can see. So it gives that nice effect, like those sapphire bezels, like the one on the 50 Fathoms. Overall, a really, really decent looking watch. The finishing of the case seems well done as usual with Spinnakers, but we're gonna see more in macro shots when I do a full review of this, which is something I will do. So do stay tuned for that. Anyways, That's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you want all my watches and all my arrivals to be done this way, because this unboxing way, when I do reviews, I prepare for them. I know what I'm gonna say, how I'm gonna say it. But in these in these unboxings, you get an unfiltered first opinion on a watch that I see for the first time, just like you're seeing it for the first time as I'm opening it. So really get a more, I don't know how to say, unprepared, unfiltered response and reaction from me. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please do like and subscribe. And until the next video, bye.